Hi guys, Clem here from the online flooring store. I just want to do a quick video on a brand new product we've got dropping on the website. This is under our exclusive Eclipse ranges. This is called Australis Terra, and it is an engineered Australian species timber floor. You've got spotted gum and you've got blackbutt. The great thing about this one is the full board length is 2.2 metres long and your width is 190 millimetres wide, which is as wide as you're going to get in Australian species timber. You're normally paying a bomb for an Australian species in that format, but these ones here, jump on the website and have a look. They're brand new and the pricing is probably going to surprise you. It's a wire brushed matte finish, so it has that lovely matte look that everyone's looking for, the very natural sort of, almost looks like a wax oil look. And it's wire brushed, so underfoot it feels amazing. Now this thing here, the other beautiful thing about it is we're able to get this product to Western Australia and Tasmania very, very cheaply. So not only, this is not limited to just Queensland, Victoria, New South Wales, South Australia, Tasmanian and Western Australian customers, you guys are going to be able to get this over there very, very inexpensively as well. One other thing too, it's tongue and groove format because more and more people are talking to us about direct sticking in timber floors. So tongue and groove makes for an easier direct stick installation. You can still float the floor sure, but it's designed predominantly for a stick down application. On the back, we've got the grooves cut in the back to help with the adhesion to the timber. So look, jump online, have a look at the product, give us a call, and have a great day.